You're the fire that keeps me strong. In your eyes I see my home, a place where I'm never alone. Every heartbeat, every sigh, you're the reason I feel alive. In your touch I find my peace. With you all my worries cease.